Okay, welcome to the lesson today. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. Today I am wearing a black t-shirt. Is it Giorgio Armani? I don't know. I didn't buy it and I don't like fashion. I'm not interested in clothes. Okay, so today we are studying superlatives and present perfect. Superlatives, what's a superlative? It's easy, yeah? Big is an adjective. Bigger than is a comparative. We studied comparatives in the last lesson. And the biggest is a superlative, the biggest. So the biggest mountain, the tallest mountain, the highest mountain is Mount Everest, okay? The biggest country is Russia. Yeah, the biggest country is Russia. Okay, so superlatives. How do we form superlatives? Well, you remember we add ER for comparatives. Big, bigger, smaller, longer, shorter, faster than. Don't forget than. Remember than, bigger than, shorter than, longer than, smaller than, comparatives. So, for example, Russia is bigger than England, of course. For superlatives, we must use the. We must say the biggest, EST. Yeah, for superlatives, usually the smallest, the biggest, the fastest, the strongest, the easiest. Yes, same again. Easier than easiest. The easiest, the funniest, the dirtiest. Okay, that's how we make superlatives when they end in Y. Funny, happy, easy, dirty, ugly. Okay, so the ugliest, yeah. And boring, more boring than, don't forget than, and the most boring. So long adjectives like boring, like dangerous, like crowded, exciting, interesting, generous, expensive, difficult, stupid. We say the most dangerous, the most crowded, the most exciting, the most boring, the most interesting, the most generous. Okay, simple. That's how we make superlatives. And there are two exceptions, you remember. Good, better than, yeah. So my result was better than your result. Yeah, my exam result was better than your exam result. Maybe I got 76%, maybe you got 62%. My exam result was better than your exam result. And for superlative, we say the best. Yeah, so maybe you are the best English student. Maybe, yeah, maybe you are the best English student. Maybe you are the best football player. I don't know. Maybe you are the best in the world. Yeah, the best in the world. Yeah, in the world. The best in the world. The biggest in the world. The strongest in the world. In the world. Okay? And the other exception, bad, is worse. So your result was worse than my result. Worse than. Okay? Superlative, the worst. With a T on the end. The worst. The best, the worst. So maybe you say, the worst restaurant in my town is McDonald's. Yeah? Is it the worst restaurant in your town? The worst restaurant in my town is McDonald's. Okay, so good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst. Don't forget the. When we use superlatives, we use the biggest, the smallest, the strongest, the longest. Okay, and when we use superlatives, we often use present perfect. I have some questions for you to answer. And I want you to answer other questions after the video. But tell me, my first question, tell me, what is the most dangerous place you have ever been to? What is the most dangerous place? The most dangerous place you have ever been to? Yeah, what is the most dangerous place? I think the most dangerous place I have ever been to is London. Yeah, you remember I told you there are lots of murders in London, killings. There is a lot of crime in London. Crime is when you break the law. Now, I don't think you break the law. I don't break the law. But crime is when a person breaks the law. That person is a criminal. So a criminal kills, a criminal steals. Do you remember steal? Maybe he steals your Rolex watch. Maybe he steals your wallet where your money is, yeah, where you put your money. Maybe he steals your wallet. That person is a criminal. And so criminals steal, criminals kill. So I think London is the most dangerous city I have ever been to. Yeah, I have ever been to, because it has so many criminals, so much crime, and not many policemen, not many police officers. I think it's a dangerous place. Okay, so we say the most dangerous, because dangerous is a long adjective. It's not short, like shorter, bigger, smaller, faster, stronger. It's dangerous. It's 3 sounds. The most dangerous. Next question. What is the best restaurant in your town? And what is the worst restaurant in your town? What is the best restaurant and what is the worst restaurant? The best, the worst. In my town, McDonald's is the worst restaurant. Yeah, I eat McDonald's sometimes, but McDonald's is the worst restaurant because it has the most unhealthy, yeah, let's do another one, the most unhealthy food. The most unhealthy food. Yeah, it has unhealthy food. It has small pieces of plastic in the food. Nobody wants